Hi, welcome to Navigating Earth. In this video, we're going to delve into a topic as personal as it is profound. What is your purpose? This question resonates within all of us and has been pondered for thousands of years by people from every walk of life, from philosophers to laborers. By the end of this video, you realize that your purpose might not be as complex or elusive as you think. It's important to note that this perspective is built upon the understanding that we all originate from a shared, divine, and loving source. True evolution takes place when we collectively embrace inclusivity and compassion for all, regardless of any social category established here on Earth. If you're eager to explore this transformative journey, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. By doing so, you join a community of like-minded spiritual seekers, and you won't miss any upcoming content. To start, I believe this deep desire within many of us to comprehend a grander purpose proves a direct connection to a higher power and collective consciousness. Each of us carries a unique combination of passions, talents, and dreams. Your purpose can be found within the many layers of your individuality. Life's challenges hold hidden gems of growth and transformation. They shape us, mold us, and reveal strengths we never knew we had. Your purpose is indeed a journey toward becoming the best version of yourself. It's about utilizing your time on Earth to evolve and grow. This entails delving into self-reflection, embracing your passions, and aligning with your own intrinsic values, not the values imposed by others. It involves stepping out of your comfort zone, taking risks, infusing joy into your life, and always choosing love. So let's take a moment to pause and reflect. What truly makes your heart sing? What activities ignite that inner spark? What brings you joy? By delving into these self-reflective questions, you'll uncover the essence of what drives you forward and ultimately uncover the simplicity of who you are. It's also important to note that your purpose isn't static. It evolves with you. Embracing the concept that growth is an ongoing partner grants you the liberty to welcome change and progression. As you age, you may find yourself reevaluating who you are and how you fit into the world. This process is entirely normal and serves as evidence that our purpose develops alongside of us as our essence expands and matures. Remember, it's always the right time to embark on a personal journey towards a more purposeful life. We are spiritual beings that came to Earth to expand. Your purpose isn't dictated by job titles, social norms, cultural standards, salaries, or material possessions. Instead, it's defined by the extent to which you evolve and grow towards a higher state of being. It's also about uplifting others, celebrating diversity, and cultivating connections. By spreading kindness and understanding, you not only enhance lives, but also nurture the collective journey of humanity. In a world often divided, your purpose becomes a unifying force. It reminds us that each person's pursuit of self-improvement is universal, transcending all of our socially perceived differences. This purpose-driven path signifies that we're all interconnected, sharing the aspiration to evolve and contribute positively to the world. As you embark on your journey, carry the torch of inclusivity and compassion. Embrace the transformative power of your purpose and watch as it ignites a chain reaction of growth and goodwill across our shared human experience. So, in conclusion, you are your purpose. Your purpose is to evolve, to grow, and to become the best version of yourself. That's it. Aspects like career, wealth, and status are simply results of choices made at specific points in your life. This moment is another point in your life, so be introspective, confront challenging questions, and summon the courage to move toward a more joyful state of being. The quest for self-improvement is a noble one, and the power to transform your life lies within you. Your purpose is also an intertwined journey, a quest to become the best version of yourself, but also fostering unity, inclusivity, and compassion for all. You are your purpose, and embracing this, you acknowledge that every individual's path is valuable. Thanks for joining us on this transformative quest. Until next time, keep exploring, evolving, and becoming the incredible person you're meant to be as we figure out together how to navigate Earth.